emu ya o Marjorie emu ye ya papa aye ya o sa ahomache sorry 6:30 now to despite media Uba morning show and you made 10 p.m.
Mama akwaba wo friend me Adwoa searching Mesrel now I subscribe to my channel. Me notification bell no so for more news. Ebusuan for NDC foot soldiers and no man de mo musin omo chese. And na chese NDC wo opposition na omo din se hu e di atem serial callers no more kensem. No more ballot box. No more tinamoto supumpuni na is agoziaga. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ni appointment here ye. Omo who left from the right. Hey! And as ma for mo sasa. Yinti nsema ekoso.
That was over there.
As people bay. Marjorie. Would you share front page? Yes, tension na ekoso no ama. The Council of Elders aware NDC no ma free emergency meeting na. Enye easy. Almost like just the president, chairman of the party, because of appointment be a why. Now me so mini president and so enyadwene baby ekwan bibiri so. Esan say Marjorie wo hwe NDC amanyokua ekuku damfo bebre ewom enimdifo bebre wom one more on my sacrifice for MP NDC. Me no omo ba show yi so. Then we are torchlight ya anajo. Na omo te ya. Omo communicate. No omo tally posters. No omo ko demonstration. Omo sum NDC sa ma NDC about power. Ene yesi sa nkofo no omo hu hia. Ye pe omo ye professors. One more omo nim suit to share. One ma omu shiw eye kama professors and the CCA de ya from so omu ne se fata say ya point to omu ne adu omu hihye nyumaku akese ano na NDC fo omu ye adwumade no Marjorie eya papa se me hwe nipa bi pa te se banahene so ka wa banahene
enro kroba
oda so tifie banahene pa bra wa brama NDC Banahine.
Now unim say you bia so no benya say people mo bai. Enyo bia na nya.
Banahine. Marjorie.
Enyo bia na nya.
Mark, wo dey ka banahine.
Including wo. And now we appointment no amoma ba.
Say me dey be opposition.
There be o mo wa ba mo.
Me dey me opposition.
Me say mo wa ba mo.
Opposition Marjorie. Ohini ba ne dey ne papa ti ase o.
Mo wa ba mo. Me dey so jo kwate.
Me opposition.
Jo kwate me te jo kwate enye no me no sha say ye adwuma ye ne.
Enu nti ne ko opposition no. Enti na yese NDC fo aba. Na o hwe broja jamfi na nei professors untumi hu se brofo mo kanaba na hini ntumi nka bio say a title no me bana hini na nsumi tunufo me ka kire se me nua babia wo fire no sankofo omo mpa wasem makane dada o me tunufo tu ache over bed 10 years me me ka tu sankofo omo mpa wasem Momu wa bem first John baye no President Mahama ni first term no Wanvu anya hwe na second term so obaye the same thing eninti minua mo NDC fo a mote bench memamu nyina yakọ eya na sumakonim
ma practice lean government onu amu so waka say some people will be disappointed because you be no betimi afa na of it a reality e wa ban bia mu
na lean government na all can are we saying say me person mabubodini bi omo ti omo ba bi a omo nayanka omo nsayanka enam because of relationship anyonkofa omo ni president wonti yakofo omo so omo medidi bre na omo di ada na link government no affect omo emu oya o Marjorie emu ye ya papa
politics don't even vote Hwɛ. And then Niama Kakrebia Kosu Ghana, I'm an Ebu Mabem. Boss, I want you to, you have my videos, right? Don't worry. We will go through the videos. But I want Ghanaians to see the mistake they have done. There is this small boy called A+. I call him small boy because I know how he got up. Without Nanado, that guy would have been dead by now. By now, I win say poto. Because a nekura is kaka kraban in semno, or that's so we are peteshi. Or that's so win something at the same abrabo. Something his father complained about. And today, I will reveal a conversation I had with the late dad. I was like this with A+ father. Okay? And the reason why I'm in A+ Papa Beye say was because Manotrano. I spoke against him because of the anger I had towards A+. I ended up saying something unsuitable about the father. Then somebody called me and told me, say, Papa na waye nesano, or ye nipa say. So my father, my real father, called me and told me, Sekwesi, if this is what you are going to do in politics, then I will not support it. From today, don't turn on your camera. If not, go and apologize to the man. So I found the number and I apologized to Mr. Obeng. And he was so graceful and gracious to me, to the point, say, he forgave me for speaking against him and actually told me, say, Bibi Abeka fan the banner who be I then no crack. The man actually told me, say, a free nekono, neba kwami A+ no, memboni yamu kopim so besisa. His own auntie, did the voice note to me and told me, say, Adi akwame esare ye no eyo mo wanwan. Because so kwame esare di an Kenya Kufuado anka woni wan. His own uncle in London told me, Sakwesi, sa kwa we die, boni yamu sa kopim so obesesa. The family gave him to me free. Yeah. And that is because of how ignoramus and arrogant that boy is. Very arrogant guy. Utie. Very, very arrogant guy. I'm the one that forced him to go to parliament. Oh, yes. I took 3 days to dismantle TPP, the stupid thing he claims was going to help people. I dismantled that because I went on their website and their mission statement and vision and everything is opposite to what he was doing. So I said, oh, sorry, you talk about ex gratia. You can't sit on social media and change ex gratia. You have to be an MP and go and make law and say, I want us to repeal ex gratia. We don't want ex gratia no more. Sorry, I bet now United Showbiz. I can't because unfortunately they have found a way to pay some idiots to sit there to bastardize a government. Today he went to parliament. First day you are sleeping. You think it's a joke? President Toyada and this president slept and me A+. 1 year busy. 1 year busy. 1 year busy. No, you fucking went to parliament and slept your first day on the job.